Hello students, welcome back to our video. So in the last video we were discussing about the different types of accounts. So in that we saw the detailed explanation for each accounts. Now let's see one example which in this example you have to classify the following accounts and give their explanation in brief. So in this question there are mainly 40 accounts. So let's see one by one. So first one is Navjeevan Commerce College account. So here is the solution. So Navjeevan Commerce College account is a personal account because it is also included under the person, but it is a legal artificial person, so it will come under the head of personal account. Then the next account is drawings account. Now drawings account is also a personal account because it discloses particular about withdrawal done by owner of the business, because like owner of the business withdraws the money. Withdraws means that is known as drawings. So drawings is also included under the personal account. Third is cash account. So cash account is included under the real account, that is called under the assets account, because cash is a current assets of the business, and the current assets, there is a separate assets account under the head of the real accounts. So cash account is a real account under assets account. Fourth is donation account. So donation account is a nominal account because it is an expense for business. So it is a nominal account under the expense account because donation is business expense. Fifth is machinery account. Machinery account is a real account because it is a asset. It would be under the asset account and that would be included under real account. So machinery is non-current or fixed assets of the business, so it is a real account, machinery. Next is land account. Land account is also a real account because land is also an asset. So real account, land is non-current fixed assets of the business. Seventh is Raj Medical Stores account. It is included under personal account because Raj Medical Store is a legal artificial person. Eighth one is salary account. It would be under the nominal account because it is the expense, because salary is a business expense. Ninth is carriage inward account. Carriage inward account, we can say that it is an expense, nominal account. It will be included under the nominal account under the head of expense account because carriage inward is expense of business. Furniture account. Furniture is asset, so it would be included under the real account because furniture is assets of the business. Next is carriage outward account. It is also an expense account, so it would be under the nominal account because carriage outward is expense of business. 12th is stationery account. Stationery is a expense, so nominal account, it would be under the nominal account, that is expense account. Stationery is also expense of business. Wages account. Nominal account. Wages account is included under the nominal account because it is also an expense. Wages is expense of business. Copyright account. It would be under the real account because it is an assets account, and copyright is non-current, or we can say it is an intangible assets of business. Then next is interest received. Interest received is a nominal account because it is the income for the business, because received interest is income of business. Then next is Union Bank account. This is also a personal account because Union Bank account is legal artificial person. Then next is rent paid account. It is a nominal account or we can say expense account because rent paid is expense of business. Then Reliance shares account, it is a real account, or we can say asset account because Reliance share account is assets of the business. Discount received account, it is or a nominal account, or we can say that income account because discount received is income of the business. Next is Ahmedabad branch account, it is also a personal account because Ahmedabad branch is a artificial person. Then next is bad debts accounts. Bad debts account is included under the nominal account, or we can say that expense account because bad debt is a loss of business. Next is Karnavati Club account. It is a personal account because Karnavati Club is a legal artificial person. Then the debtors account. It is a personal account because goods is sold on credit. This may be natural or legal artificial person. Then goods distributed as sample account. This is a nominal account, or we can say that expense account because goods distributed as sample is expense of business. Then creditors account, this is a personal account because goods is purchased on credit. This can be a natural or legal artificial person. Then the factory expense account, this is a nominal account, or we can say that expense account because factory expense is expense of business. Then Neelam Ben's account, this is a personal account because Neelam Ben is a natural person. Depreciation account, this is a nominal account, or we can say that expense account because depreciation is expense of business, it is non-cash expense. Next is Gujarat government account, it is a personal account because it is a legal artificial person. Then received bank interest account, this is a nominal account, or we can say that income account because received bank interest is income of business. Goods given for advertisement account, this is a nominal account, or we can say that expense account because goods given for advertisement is expense of the business. Then dividend received account, this is a nominal account, or we can say income account because dividend received is income of business. Then commission received account, this is also a nominal account or income account because commission received is income of business. Then the goodwill account, that is all goodwill account is a real account, or we can say that asset account because goodwill is a non-current fixed intangible asset. Then the commission allowed account, it is a nominal account, or we can say that expense account because commission allowed is expense of business. Then the bills receivable account, it is a personal account because bills receivable is receivables of the business. Discount allowed account, that would be under the nominal account, or we can say that expense account because discount allowed is expense of business. Then the stock account is a real account, or we can say that asset account because stock is assets of the business. Next is capital account. Capital account is a personal account because owner of business provides capital to business, and the owner of business is a natural person. And the last one is purchase account, that would be under the real account, or we can say that asset account because purchase of goods is asset of the business. So these were the following accounts and their classification of the types of accounts and with their explanation. So this is the classification of accounts in a tabular form. This is the all the types of account that we classified, it is classified under the tabular form. Each has a natural person account, legal artificial accounts, then goods accounts, assets accounts, expenses accounts, and income accounts. So this is a tabular form. Now I want you guys to remember all these types of accounts, because it is very important to know which accounts, like what type, name of the accounts, and that which type of accounts it is included. So I want all these accounts to, you need to remember this, which account would be which type of account. You need to remember this, all these accounts. So I would like to give you a homework, or like do yourself illustration 5. That is the same question but like with a different accounts. So you have to classify the following accounts and they give the brief explanation. So there are mainly 50 accounts and you have to classify which types of account it is and with their explanation. So I would like to give you like do yourself homework and go through all these accounts by yourself. This is all the things, and you have to also try to remember this, which account is a which type of accounts. So just remember this and go through this all these accounts and the types of accounts. So in now we would be stopping here. In the next video we would be continuing with the next topic, and if you have any questions or any doubts, please feel free to comment below the video. Thank you.